Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with a little video. A little video. I just wanted to come on and share this little journal with you all. Um, I was watching a fellow YouTuber create an accordion journal, and I was like, oh, that sounds like fun. I had the perfect paper to do it. So I got this paper from Walmart. It is the color block paper, and it's 50 double-sided sheets. So, and they're like $5 at Walmart. You can't beat that. So I cut it in half, and then I cut it down to 8 inches. So when I fold it in half, it's a 4 by 6 little journal. And I added some ephemera. Here's a pin from the Dollar Tree. I added a pocket with a tag I made out of packaging. I did a belly band. Here's a tab, and then here's another side tab. Here's a little card with that trim that I've been using, because I ripped out this whole journal, this other journal, and it had this trim. I don't know what you call it. What would you call it? Binding. And I kept it. I have a whole bunch of it here that I want to use up. And then you flip it. Here's another pocket. I've added some index cards for journaling. Here's the other side of that. Oh, you'll see it on the other side, but it's a paper clip. Here's a hidden paper clip that I created. I gotta alter it. And then I added another index card, and you flip it over. Here's a belly band with more index cards for journaling. Here's another packaging tag I created with a little sheet or a little piece of that pattern paper that I used. And then you flipped it to the back side. Added some lace from the Dollar Tree. Here is a piece of ephemera. The other side of the hidden paper clip. Then you flip it open. Then there's another pocket with an index card and a handmade tag. Another paper clip here with a belly band and an index card. I just love how this little journal turned out. Here's a side pocket, some more of that trim, an index card. Here's a hidden paper clip, another little card I just cut out and added. Here's another paper clip that I need to alter. Index card, another index card on this side. So it's a little corner tuck here. So I just love how this little book turned out. It is too cute. I shared it on my Instagram, just the picture of it, and this is how it will look on a desk or a table, or anywhere that you want to display it. It's a really cute idea. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.